Hello everyone, in my this video tutorial I will tell you about the developers option in your device Vivo Y100. So if in this device Vivo Y100 you want to enable the developers option or you want to use the developer option, I will tell you how you can do it. Before I start the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's watch complete video and learn how you can do it.